Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be doing some press-on nails that I made to go to the fair, and I made these in October, and as I'm recording this, it's November, like the end of November, and this was at the beginning of October, so I don't exactly remember what I did for real. But obviously, I'm giving y'all a tutorial today and just showing y'all everything I'm doing. So I'm taking Born Pretty's Jelly Pink Gel from their Pink Jelly collection, which I don't even know if they're selling that anymore. It should be on Amazon. I'll link it if I find it. But yeah, I'm going to be doing one coat of this to start off on all the nails. Honestly, I have no idea if I did 1 or 2 coats, but it looks like I just did 1 coat of that. And now I'm going in with this pink gel liner from Rosalind. They don't actually, I don't think they sell these on their website or on Amazon anymore. I tried to look for them. I think they sell them on like SHEIN, or not SHEIN, probably SHEIN, I don't know, AliExpress, something like that. So I'm not gonna link these because I don't like linking those websites, because usually everything is always out of stock, so what's the point? But for this look today, I wanted to go for a pink and gold look, even though nothing I was wearing was pink and gold. I like doing pink and gold nails, and I usually end up doing that for occasions. And I always pop off my nails when I get to wherever I'm at anyways, because if one of them flies off, I'm just gonna rip all of them off. And that's what I ended up doing. But it's no big deal or anything. I enjoy making the nails, and I'm pretty sure that's all that matters, because I just enjoy being creative and doing freestyle. So yeah, but anyways, I'm taking this giant gem and I'm just etching the back of it so that I can actually stick onto my nail. And I'm using, please don't mind my remote just sitting there. Anyways, I'm using super extension gel. I'm not sure what it's called, but it probably will not be on sale for that long. It's still on sale right now. Not on sale, but it's still being sold right now. But probably not for that long. So I'll link it, but my apologies if it's sold out or they don't have it in stock anymore at all whatsoever. But to be honest, definitely it's for putting nails on, not for bling. As thick as it is, it doesn't matter if you embed your gems in it, your gems will pop out. And this could be the quality of my gems since they are from SHEIN, but since I don't like do this like as a full-time job or anything, I don't see the point in buying anything that will last, because I'm not putting it on anybody else's hands but mine anyways, and then I'm popping those nails right off. So yeah, but I do make press-ons to sell, and for those I use a much higher quality bling glue, and even with the cheaper rhinestones, they last way longer with a better quality bling. So definitely check my Instagram, and in my bio you'll see how to order and my highlights and everything. But anyways, I decided to do a gold flower, so I mixed some clear 3D sculpting gel with some gold, I don't know how to say it, mica or mica powder, and then I basically just mixed that all together. And now I'm placing it on the nail in beads. So I placed 2 beads, and now I'm just sculpting the flower out. And then all around the nail, I place 3 more and do smaller petals. So this is pretty much how all my flowers go. I want to do more flowers. Flowers are really cute, more 3D flowers. But every time like I do a set, it's not really my main like thing that I'm thinking about is, oh, I should do a flower. I should do a flower. But I have seen some really cute 3D flower sets that in the past I wanted to attempt, but now I'm just like, that sounds like a lot of work. But anyways, I finished that flower and now I'm placing this ginormous Hello Kitty bling. As you can see, the extension gel holds it. It holds the bling in place, but like I said, it doesn't last very long. That Hello Kitty bling came off, I think, while I was like reaching in my pocket or some shit. I don't know. But anyways, I'm taking more of this and then I'm gonna be doing a full bling nail. And usually when I do full bling, not a full bling nail, a full bling French, usually when I do that, I like to put glitter in the background. But I didn't do that this time just because I completely forgot. It didn't make it look any worse or any better. It's still a bling nail, so I still like how it came out. But just so you know, I feel like they come out better when you add glitter in the background. I really wanted to use these ginormous pieces of bling that I have, and I went with this like kite shaped one. I don't know what that shape is. I'm not like knowledgeable about the bling shapes and sizes and stuff, unfortunately. Maybe I should be, but I'm not. So yeah, and then this little like spear or whatever. And basically I'm just placing them in kind of a random order, to be honest, just making like kind of like a puzzle, just placing them where I think they fit. I'm now gonna add a bunch of smaller bling on the sides and make this sort of a swirly shaped bling design. And once again, please don't mind my remote literally being right there. I don't have enough space on my desk. I mean, I do have plenty of space. I don't know why I set my remote right there though. I could have set that anywhere. So finally I noticed the fact that my remote is literally in shot. So I moved it out of the way. And now I am doing one of these nails that I used to do a while back where I would just put the pearls on. And I love these little things. It's just, they are so hard to wear. That's all. Don't think it matters where you get them from, SHEIN, Amazon, somebody who makes them at their house. They're more likely to like come off because they have a pearly coating on them. They're not actually pearls, so they just have like a pearlescent spray on them. But anyways, I placed that Hello Kitty and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna do a flower around it, but I don't know. But for now, I'm lining this nail in like a swirly design. And this is just really cute and girly, so I really love it. But y'all, it's gonna be a while till I do pink and gold again, because the way I just bombard my channel with pink and gold way too often. So I'm placing this cute little cherry, and then that's pretty much all the nails. So this is before top coating. Let me know what y'all think of these nails in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to check out my Instagram where I sell press-ons. You can ask for pretty much any set and I'll do it. And obviously they come out really, really, really cute. So thank you for watching.